Okay guys, we're back here out at the range again, and today I have the Taurus PT22. I just picked this up kind of on a whim, but what it does is holds 8 rounds in the magazine, and then you have this little lever here. Tip that up and you can drop your 9th one in here, close it, and it is double action only, so you're ready to go. When you squeeze the trigger, it fires this round, and then the gun cycles and picks up more from the magazine. Now we're only allowed 5 rounds at this range in the magazine at a time, so I'm going to load it up, 4 in the magazine, and then I'll put 1 in the chamber and I'll show you guys and we'll see how it shoots. Okay guys, we have 4 in the magazine. Flip this up, put the 5th one in, shut it, it's on safe. Now we're ready to go. Target's out at about 3 yards. That's pretty neat. Now this gun is a little ammo finicky. What I got is a GoPro 22 Super Extra 40 grains, 1255 feet per second. It likes the copper jacketed or copper plated. This is actually copper plated rounds. Does not like the soft lead round nose. It likes the copper plated or copper jacketed. So these and like your CCI mini mags, they work awesome through this little pistol. Okay, same target. Okay, same target again. 3 yards, 5 rounds. I didn't even hit the target. I think we're shooting high and left. Alright, check it out. Yeah, that was a little bit better once I found out where it was hitting. But this gun's not meant to be shot at that distance, really. It's up close and personal, although I'd never use it for personal defense. I just kind of got it for plinking around. Thanks for watching the C&B experience again. Appreciate it.